highlights of the Erie Canalway Trail from Syracuse to Little Falls, June of 2022, with the Death by Double Paceline crew, with stops in Rome and Utica.
It is Sunday morning, 8:40 a.m. We are rolling eastbound through Syracuse, heading to Little Falls today. Just got on the trail. Beautiful fresh coat of green paint on it. What is it called?
Poolsbrook.
Poolsbrook?
Yeah.
Was it like a turning area for like boats or something?
Know.
Or just like a natural wide spot maybe?
Honestly, I couldn't tell you, but there's a great blue heron out there right now.
Yeah.
See him?
Uh-huh. Oop, runner up. Morning. Imagine like in the olden days, you have the canal path right here and pull off, get a beer, get some hay for your horse.
Running a whorehouse on.
Yeah, go get laid.
Yeah, man.
Cool bridge though.
It is a cool bridge.
Pretty cool. It looks like you can use it
Yeah.
right there.
Little, some new boards. It's holding up. It's holding up. Wait, what? No. Yep.
The trail goes directly through downtown Rome and turns at Fort Stanwix, a national monument and reconstructed Revolutionary War fort.
I just don't want anybody to end up in the canal or with a tree branch through their leg. Oh, cool. That's like mine. Yeah, I got wrapped up too when I was.
Right here, Kevin, I'll get your bite. You got it? You good?
Look at that. The cyclocross there. All right.
That was close though.
Alrighty.
That was fun.
About 52 miles here on day 3. Rome and Utica on our way to lunch. Been a mixed trail conditions. We're about 59 miles into today's ride, day 3. See a sign for Utica.
Sorry. I think it was just the metal bump.
I didn't hear anything go down.
Oh.
Chapstick? I got chapstick if you want it.
Where is it?
Right back there.
Oh.
Interesting trail conditions here as it switches from a causeway to a clover field.
Took a little brief bypass on New York Bicycle Route 5, which is also State Highway number 5. Back in the trail system here after Ilion. It's just before 4 o'clock on Sunday, and we are about to be in Little Falls very soon.
We decided to pull off and have a look at Lock 18 as we saw some boats preparing to exit the lock.
You alright? Same Fisher? Cool.
Our arrival in Little Falls felt like a major milestone on this trip. We found a charming town situated on the Mohawk River that was easily explored by foot.